Hello everyone, this is Minakshi and today I am going to take the maths of class 8th lesson number 12 exponents and powers exercise number 12.1 question number 6. So what is given here in the question number 6? It is given that evaluate 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1. So this is given expression and we have to evaluate it and we have to find out the answer for this. So first the solution, we will write the question as it is, whatever given, that is 1 upon 3 whole raised to the power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 whole raised to the power minus 1 again whole raised to the power minus 1. So as here the exponent is given negative, we have to make it as positive, and for that we have a formula, and that law is that a upon b whole raised to the power minus m equals to b upon a whole raised to the power plus m. So this is the law which we will apply. So here that is 1 by 3 will become 3 by 1 whole raised to the power 1 by using this law. So that is it can be written as 3 by 1 whole raised to the power 1 minus 4 by 1 whole raised to the power 1. Again this both whole raised to the power minus 1. So now 3 by 1 can be written as 3 and 4 by 1 can be written as 4 only. And if here the exponent we got 1, it means we can write it as 3 only. So that is we can write 3 by 1 as 3 raised to the power 1 minus 4 raised to the power 1 then whole raised to the power minus 1. And if the exponent is given 1, it means we have to multiply this 3 with itself 1 times and 4 also 1 time. It means we can write it as 3 minus 4 whole raised to the power minus 1. Then 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 1, and here we got 1 raised to the power 4. Now it is here minus 1 raised to the power minus 1. So here the exponent is negative, we have to make it positive. For that we have a formula, that is a law, a raised to the power minus m, which is equals to 1 upon a raised to the power plus m. So here we consider a as minus 1 and minus m as minus 1. So it can be written as 1 upon minus 1 whole raised to the power 1. And if it is given the exponent as 1 we got here, so we can write it as 1 upon minus 1, and 1 upon minus 1 is equals to minus 1. So this is how we got the answer for this given equation. Then the second question, it is given, that is 5 by 8 whole raised to the power minus 7 into 8 by 5 whole raised to the power minus 4. We have to simplify it and we have to find out the answer by simplifying it. So it is given 5 by 8 whole raised to the power minus 7 into 8 by 5 whole raised to the power minus 4. So here you can notice that it is given 5 raised to the 5 divided by 8 and it is given 8 divided by 5. So here the bases are different and exponents are also different, but we can make the bases are equal because here you can see 5 by 8 is a reciprocal of 8 by 5. So we can convert this 8 by 5 in the form of 5 by 8 by using the law, and then the exponent also will become positive as it is given negative. So we will apply the law only for this term, okay, because here by applying law only to this term we will get both the bases as equal. So here we will apply the law, that is b upon a whole raised to the power minus m equals to b upon a whole raised to the power plus m. So that is a by b will become b by a, that is the reciprocal of it, and minus m will become plus m according to this law. So here we can write it as 5 divided by 8 whole raised to the power minus 7 into 5 divided by 8 whole raised to the power plus 4 by using this law. So now we got the bases as equal. So if we have bases as equal, then we have another formula, that is a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power m plus n. So by using this law we can simplify this equation. So that is 5 divided by 8 whole raised to the power, here bases are equal, exponents are different. So by using this law, as it is given multiplication, we will add the exponent. So that is minus 7 plus 4, which is equals to 5 divided by 8. Now minus 7 plus 4 means plus minus is minus. So minus 7 plus 4 will become minus 3, as minus plus is minus, and here the sign of 7 is minus given and 7 is the greater number. That's why here we will write the sign of 7, that is minus. So here we got minus 3. Now again we have a formula to make this negative exponent as a positive. So by applying that law we will make it positive, and the law is given which we have already used, that is a divided by b whole raised to the power minus m equals to b divided by a whole raised to the power m. To solve these questions you have to learn these formulas, and every time whatever formula you are applying, that you have to mention. So here we can write this as 8 divided by 5 whole raised to the power 3. Now if it is given whole raised to the power 3 means this exponent is for both numerator and the denominator. So here we can write it as 8 raised to the power 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 3, and we have a law also for it, that is a divided by b whole raised to the power m equals to a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. So we have applied this law here. So now we got a raised to 8 raised to the power 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. It means we have to multiply this 8 3 times with itself, that is 8 into 8 into 8, and here divided by 5 into 5 into 5. So here 8 into 8 is 64, 64 into 8 is, that is equals to 512, divided by 5 into 5 is 25, and 25 into 5 is 125. So this is the answer we got here. Okay, so I hope these both questions are understood by you very well.